This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. Our complete sauces are an all-in-one cooking sauce that is convenient and easy to use. Explore our other complete sauces in the range. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for black pepper crab, you can now prepare black pepper crab in 6 easy steps. Black pepper crab is a stir-fry crab created with the finest selection of black pepper and spices. In this video, we will show you how to prepare black pepper crab. Here are the ingredients you need. Watch till the end to learn how to clean and prepare crab. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat cooking oil on medium-high heat. Sprinkle corn flour on crab pieces and mix. Add the crab pieces into wok and fry both sides till fragrant. Step 2. Add crab juice and stir-fry for 10 seconds. Add Prima Taste Black Pepper Crab Complete Sauce and stir-fry for approximately 90 seconds till sauce coats the crab evenly. Step 3. Pour water around the edge of the wok and place crab shell on top. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Step 4. Push the crab shell into sauce, then cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Step 5. Add butter and stir-fry till the sauce is glossy. Remove some sauce for dipping later. Step 6. Continue to stir-fry till the sauce thickens and crab is coated with sauce. Delicious black pepper crab is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 44% as compared to other food outlets. We will now show you how to clean and prepare crab and crab juice. Step 1. Soak crab in ice-cold water until it stops moving. Remove crab from the water and clean the shell thoroughly using a brush. Step 2. Cut away the tip of the legs. Remove apron flap from the underside of the crab and pull body away from shell. Cut sides of shell to loosen for ease of pulling. You may use a paper towel to hold the crab as the crab shell can be sharp. Step 3. Remove stomach sac from the shell. Keep the shell and roe for cooking. Trim off the sharp edges of the shell. Step 4. Remove gills from the body. Clean the crab thoroughly again using a brush. Step 5. Cut off the pincers and cut the body into 4 pieces. Then cut the pincers into 2. Crack the shell of the pincers slightly. Step 6. Place crab pieces into a bowl to collect the crab juice. Check out our website for more cooking videos.